Technology got faster, success didn't, and the gap between what we expect and what actually works is the reason why most people quit their online business before it even had a real chance. I know this because I did the same thing. We've been trained by the same day delivery and the instant AI answers to expect instant business results too. So when day 30 doesn't look like someone else's year 10, we assume it's broken. We jump into something new and we reset ourselves back to zero every single time. Here's the thing nobody talks about. There's a massive difference between something not working and something not having had enough time to work yet. Your audience compounds, your content compounds, your skill compounds, but only if you stop digging up the seed every week to check whether it's growing. So instead of asking how quickly I can make money, ask a better question. What can I build over the next 12 months? Give yourself enough time to actually get good at what you're doing. Because today's work might not reward you today, but a video you make this week could bring you someone in the next 6 months from now. That's how compounding actually works. It's invisible until it isn't. Maybe, just maybe, the reason something hasn't worked yet isn't because you're failing. Maybe you're simply haven't been doing it long enough to see the results. If you're serious about building something real over the next 12 months, instead of chasing quick wins that never land, check out the turnkey residual income system at bigresidual.com. 80% of every dollar comes back to you, and there's a done for you sales system that handles the selling so you can focus on showing up consistently. The link is in the description down below.